This video will walk you through the steps for adding a class for new students or making a teacher change for existing students. Important tips. Adding the student through classes would apply after your data has been copied to the MST. This process would be used throughout the school year when a new student enrolls. This process would be used when changing a teacher for a student. Please pay careful attention to the date the student will be starting school or changing teachers. The following tables will be updated. The teacher field on Student Data 1, the student's attendance enrollment, and course attendance. Let's get started. The classes table is located under Student Data, Scheduling, and then Classes. Select Edit. And then the next, you'll want to make sure that you update the start date to the day the student will be starting school. To view the classes that are available, you can click on View MST. This will show you all of your teachers and the classes that you have. All of these fields you can click on and it will sort them by order. So we're going to look at first grade and we're going to add the student to this teacher. We'll click OK and then we'll click Save. This will then bring up the attendance enrollment. You'll want to make sure that the effective date is the same that you added when they started the class. This information is going to update the student's attendance. By clicking on Update Student Enter Date, this will update the student's enter date on Student Data 1. Click OK. You can see on Student Data 1, the teacher has been updated. Under Attendance Enrollment, the teacher has been added as well as the date. And the student's course attendance has been added accurately. To change the student's teacher, you're going to want to click Edit. And our first step is, when is the student going to start the new class? If we say the 7th, you'll notice the end date for the drop class has already been pre-populated. So let's go ahead and the class we're going to drop, we're going to click the trash can. Are you sure you want to delete the course? Yes. Now we're going to view and we're going to add her new class. And then we're going to click Save. It then is asking us if the student is leaving teacher 42 and going into teacher 50, leaving on the 6th, entering on the 7th. You're going to click OK. As you notice on Student Data 1, the teacher now reflects Jackson. Under the attendance enrollment, it has now removed the student from teacher number 42 and placed them with teacher number 50. And their course attendance shows the same. They left teacher number 42 on the 6th and they began teacher number 50 on the 7th. This concludes the video for adding a new student to a class or changing a class.